Hello, everyone. My name is Emma. Welcome to Slow English Story. Are you ready? Watch my story. Let's start. Oh no! Mark, look at this.
What is it, Emma? What happened?
My wallet. I have no American dollars. No cash at all.
Really? Let me check my wallet too. I have some euros, but no dollars.
We need dollars. This shop doesn't take cards.
That's okay. Don't worry, Emma.
But I really want this keychain. It's so pretty.
I know, and we will get it. We just need to find a bank first.
A bank? Yes. We can exchange our money there.
Good idea. Let's look for a bank nearby.
Wait, I think I saw one on the next street. Let's go.
Okay, let me check the map.
Do you see a bank on the map?
Yes, there is one. It's called City First Bank.
Oh, good. How far is it?
It's very close, just 2 blocks from here.
2 blocks? That's not far at all.
No, it's easy. We turn left at the corner.
Okay, left at the corner. I understand.
And then we walk straight for 1 block.
Simple. I can do that.
Yes, you can. Come on, let's go.
Oh, here it is. City First Bank.
We found it. That wasn't hard.
It looks very clean and nice.
Yes, come on. I will hold the door for you.
Thank you, Mark. You're always so kind.
Of course. After you, madam.
Madam? Oh, that's very fancy.
Only the best for you.
Okay, let's go inside.
Yes, and remember, we need to ask about the exchange rate.
The exchange rate. Right. I will ask at the counter.
Good. I will be right next to you. Let's go in.
Wow, it's very quiet in here.
Yes, and very clean. I like it.
Which counter do I go to?
That's the one. Go to currency exchange.
Okay, but I'm a little nervous, Mark.
Don't be nervous. Your English is great.
Okay, you're right. I can do this.
I will walk with you. Let's go say hello to her.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning. Welcome to City First Bank. How can I help you today?
Yes, I would like to exchange some money, please.
Of course. What currency do you have?
I have some euros.
No problem at all. We exchange euros here.
That's great. Thank you.
Sure. And how much would you like to exchange today?
300 euros, please.
Perfect. Now I will just need to see some ID first. Do you have your passports with you?
Here are our passports.
Emma and Mark. Perfect.
That's us.
Great. Everything looks good. Now let me check today's exchange rate for you.
Yes, please. What is the rate today?
For euros, today's rate is €1 equals 1.08 US dollars.
€1 equals $1.08. I see.
So, 300 euros will give us about $324.
That's correct. Very good math.
Wow, Mark, you're fast.
I have my moments.
Now, how would you like your dollars today?
How would we like the dollars? Mark, what do you think?
Small bills are better, I think. Easier to use.
Yes, small bills, please, not big ones.
Of course. Would you like 20s, 10s, and 5s?
Yes, 20s, 10s, and 5s. That sounds perfect.
And maybe a few ones too? For small things, like tips.
Sure, no problem. Some ones as well.
Thank you. Small bills are always more useful when traveling.
I completely agree. Most travelers prefer that. Here you go, 386 US dollars.
Oh, wow. It looks so real now.
Money always looks good in any currency.
And here is your receipt. Please keep it safe.
Of course. Thank you so much for your help.
It was my pleasure. Is there anything else I can do for you?
No, I think that's everything. You were very helpful.
Thank you. Enjoy your time in America.
So, mission accomplished.
Mission accomplished. We have cash.
You did great in there. I'm proud of you.
I was so nervous, but it wasn't hard at all.
Your English was perfect, Emma.
Really, you think so?
Really, you asked everything clearly. I understood everything.
Thank you, Mark. You make me feel confident.
That's my job.
Now, do you remember what we need to do?
The keychain shop. Yes, I remember.
Let's go. I can finally buy it.
Come on then. And after that, I'm hungry. Can we find a nice little cafe?
Always thinking about food.
Some things never change. Let's go.
Thank you for watching this story with me today. Like this video to support the channel. Subscribe for more slow English stories and daily English practice.